Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. My name is Roman and I'm on a journey to rebuild this 2018 Tesla Model 3. If you haven't seen my previous videos, please check them out. You will see how I set this car on the trailer for the frame pulling. You'll find a video where I actually pull the frame and the assembly inner structure. In this video, we're gonna do body panel repairs. I've got about 5 body panels that have all sorts of damages on them, and we're gonna get them repaired. So let's get to it. Okay guys, if you've seen my previous video where I assembled this front end, you're probably asking why is the front end disassembled again? And the reason is simple, because I had to reinforce this passenger side fender. I had to take it off and use a rod underneath on the inner side of the fender and weld that rod from the inside to reinforce right where the damage was. And as you see, the fender is already reinforced and primed. Let's put it back on and get to actual body repair. Just in case if someone wonders why I'm not doing it from the inside, it's got double wall. I can't go from the inside, so I have to do it from outside. Now we're ready for a body filler. Spend as much time as you can with straightening the actual steel, so you will spend less time doing a body filler. For this step, you can just use a regular paper towel. And I'm using wax and grease remover. Sometimes when you get a car from an auction, you will get a panel covered with adhesive. They're trying to protect the car as much as they can with the plastic, and plastic has an adhesive on the bottom side. And because the car is sitting at the auction for a while, this adhesive dries out, and sometimes it's really hard to get off the panel. I think one of the best chemicals to remove the adhesive is the simple gasoline. I prefer using gasoline. Okay, this scratch right here is not only a deep scratch, it's also created a long dent. The easiest way for me would be just fill this dent with the body filler without trying to knock it out. So first thing I'm gonna do is determine how low of a spot it is with the 80 grit sandpaper. Just like that, it's ready for a primer. Okay, so this is the kind of primer I like to use. This is a 2K primer. You have to use a hardener for this kind of primer. This primer called 3-in-1, which means you can either use it as a high build primer or you can use it as a sealer. I primarily use it as the high build primer. All right guys, we're ready to spray. I'm gonna do about 2 or 3 coats. The first coat is gonna be the lightest, and I'm gonna blend it out in all directions. Well guys, there you have it. We got all damaged parts repaired and primed. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing so you don't miss any future videos. In the next video, we're gonna get these parts painted. So I'll see you on the next one.